Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the nested structures in C language. So structures within a structure means nesting of structures. Okay. So nesting of structures is allowed in the C language. So structure within a written inside another structure is called as a nesting of two structures, or structure within a structure is called a nested structure. Okay. So nested structures are allowed in the C programming language. We can write one structure inside another structure as a member of the another structure. Okay. So within a structure, so we can write multiple number of internal structures. Okay. So this is about the nested structures. So now let us see clearly with an example about the nested structures. So here I am taking an employee structure. So struct keyword followed by structure name, that is employee, and then the attributes of the employee. So e-name, SSN, salary, and date of joining. So these are the data members of the employee. Okay, employee structure, and followed by the variable employee1. Okay, so here in the given structure, so we are having name, SSN, salary, and the date of joining can be classified here, right? So here it can be classified into three things, that is the date of joining is date, month, and year. Okay, so it can be classified into three things, right? So here this data member is again consisting of some attributes, right? That is the date, month, and year, right? So it is itself consisting of some of the attributes. So that's why we can write the date of joining as struct keyword followed by the date and its attributes, that is date, month, and year. Okay, so we are declaring a variable DOJ, that is the date of joining here. So date of joining is an data member of the employee, so which can be again classified into number of data members, right? So it is also having some properties. The date of joining is having some properties, that is date, month, and year. So that's why we are elaborating that particular data member into another structure. Okay, so here the structure date is an innermost structure of the employee structure. Okay, so here employee is the outermost structure and date of joining, that is this is the innermost structure. Okay, so now let us see how to access the nested members here. So accessing the month field, that is employee1 dot date of joining dot month, and accessing the day field, that is employee1 dot date of joining dot day, and accessing the year field, employee1 dot doj dot year. Okay, so here if you observe in the program, so if you want to access the innermost structure variables, okay, innermost structure members, then you have to use employee1 dot doj dot date and employee1 dot doj, that is date of joining dot month, and employee1 dot date of joining dot year. Okay, so in this way you can access the data members of the innermost structure. And if you want to access the data members of the outermost structure, that is the employee structure, then you have to directly use the employee1. So employee1 dot ename, employee1 dot ssn, employee1 dot salary. So like this you can access the outermost structure data members. Okay, so for the innermost one, so we have to use the two variables name, that is the employee1 dot date of joining dot date. Like that you have to use the two variables here. Okay, suppose here I want to add another variable. Okay, I want to add another variable, okay, in the innermost structure. So it can be valid. It can be done in the nested structure case. So an innermost structure can have more than one variable. So this form of a declaration is a legal thing. So here struct date followed by date, month and year. So we have accessed the members on the date using the date of joining variable. So for accessing the innermost structure, we can add another variable also. We can use another variable also, that is the joining date I am taking. So joining date dot date and joining date dot month and joining date dot year. Okay. So by using this variable also, you can access the members. Okay. So here date of joining dot date, date of joining dot month and doj dot year is valid. And similarly, joining date dot date and joining date dot month and joining date dot year is also valid. Okay. So by using the two variables, we can access the structure members. And I am separating the two variables by the comma here. Right. So here in the innermost structure, we have mentioned the tag name of the structure. You can mention the tag name or you can remove the tag name also. Okay, if you remove the tag name also, it is valid. So struct and followed by the date, month, year also you can give. Okay, or else you can use this. You can write the program in this manner also. Okay, so it is also possible to nest more than one type of structures in the C language. Okay, so here we have taken one outermost structure and innermost structure, and you can nest more than two structures within a structure. So this is about the nesting of structures in the C language. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.